Hi everyone, my name is Keith. I'm a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the Tennant Boss 2000 LE carpet extractor. In this brief overview, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how to properly maintain your equipment to keep it running at peak performance and minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. Before operating the machine, a few things we're going to check over. We're going to start right here at your control console. Over here is your main on-off switch. You want to make sure that that's operable. Right here in the middle is your brush switch. You want to make sure that is also operable. And right here is the cleaning mode switch. You want to make sure that that works as well. Right here in the center is the foam control button. You want to make sure that that is not damaged. Now right here on the back of the machine, we're going to take a look at your power cord. You want to make sure there's no frays and it's not damaged in any way. Take a look at your circuit breaker right here. You want to make sure that that's not damaged and it's not tripped. Take a look at your deck lowering handle. You want to make sure that's not bent or damaged or broken in any way. We're going to go over here and take a look at your recovery drain hose. You want to make sure there's no tears or rips in it. Take a look at your suction hose right here. You want to make sure again that there's no tears or rips in it. And then take a look at all of your chemical tubing. You want to make sure that those don't have any holes in them as well. Coming a bit further down the machine, take a look at your main wheels on the left and right side. You want to make sure there's no gouges or they're not broken anyway. Here is your pickup shoe. You want to make sure that that's not bent or broken or damaged in any way. Just give your deck a once over. Make sure there's no gouges or anything like that coming out of it. And up front here is a swivel caster wheel. You want to make sure that that is not damaged or gouged out in any way as well. Tilt the machine back. We're going to take a look at the brush roll. You want to make sure that it spins freely and that it's not worn. Right above the brush roll, you have 5 spray jets. You want to take each of the tips out, and you want to make sure that they're not damaged or they're not clogged. Let's take a look at the solution tank. Go ahead and take the lid off. Inspect the lid for any damages. Look inside. You want to make sure that you have your solution filter right there. You want to make sure that that's free and clear. And just look inside your tank and make sure that it is not dirty or anything like that. So now we'll go back here and we'll take a look at the recovery tank. Go ahead and unscrew the knobs for the lid. Take the hose off. Pull your lid out. Once again, check the gasket for any damage and check the lid for any damage as well. Look inside your tank. You want to make sure that it is free and clear of debris as well. And that about does it for this machine. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.